Hi, my name is Joseph Wicks from Saved by Boss. Today I should be talking to you about list building. And there's a saying in internet marketing and in marketing in general that the money is in the list. Well, that might be true, but I actually think the money is in the way you use the list. So, size of the list is important, but not as important as the way you command the list. And what I'm going to be talking to you today about is how to put together or how to build a list for your affiliate marketing business or while you are doing your affiliate marketing business. Either which way, it's important to have a list because it frees you from the dependency on the platforms like social media platforms and other aspects of your business. So, for example, if you have Instagram followers, or as they say, Facebook followers, and or even YouTube subscribers, and your platform or your account gets shut down, you lose all those people that you have interacting with you. But if you have a list, what tends to happen is it doesn't really matter whether or not those platforms get shut down. You still have your list. If you're interested in getting together or building a list, please stick with me and I'll see you on the other side. My last video about traffic for affiliate marketing contained methods by which you can get traffic to your different offers. But to get traffic to your offers, one of the best ways by which you can maximize the whole system of the traffic to the offer is by ensuring that even if the traffic goes to the offer and doesn't do what you want it to do, i.e. buy or click on the offer that you have available, you actually succeed in getting the third option, which I think is a really important option, if not the most important option, which is getting their email address and their name. And this constitutes you beginning to build or put together what we call an email list in affiliate marketing and internet marketing as well. And I detailed some of the reasons why you will want to have a list prior to starting this section. And I said to you about the fact that if you are on social media, for example, and things get lost or your account gets shut down, at least you still have your list to fall back on. Now, the idea behind having a list also means that what you will do is that you can actually market and you can sell to them multiple times, and especially if you know what and who is within particular segments of your list. So how do you build this list? Well, in keeping with what I was just been talking about, is you have a traffic source and you send that traffic source something called a landing page. Now I'm going to show you what I don't really have an instance of one right now because I'm not really running any campaigns at this time, but I'll show you what a typical method of collecting information is like. And to do this, let's go to my blog. So this is my blog, saybyboss.com, and what you find here is you see a number of articles which obviously are to bring people in to read, and to the right you can see I have what is called a lead magnet. Now this lead magnet is typical for what you find when people are building lists. It's a legal bribe, basically. It's a way of giving people something, an incentive, so that they trade their email addresses with you. And so this is what this is. So I ask people to download 200 or 2000 email swipes, and in return they give me the email address. They click on here, and that's how the exchange occurs. So this is one way of building your list as well. The other way I showed you prior to this was one that you can do when you are actually working with an offer, and that has a number of steps. I didn't really show you all the steps in total, so I will just go back and have a look at it, but I just wanted to show you another method by which you can build your list for free. Now all of these methods are available in different aspects of affiliate marketing. There are also methods by which you can actually build your list paid, and I covered that in the traffic source in my last video, which was all about the traffic sources and strategies that you employ. So if you go back and have a look at that, I'll leave the link down below as well. And please remember to give me a thumbs up if you have watching this series of videos and you enjoy them. It'd be very nice to get a thumbs up in each one you like, and also a subscription as well. Right, back to what I was talking to you about. So if we go and have a look at the diagram I put down together for how you can proceed in terms of getting your list while you're building your affiliate marketing business or you're making sales, it's simple. It's a 4-step structure. Now it can be more than this, but for the purpose of simplicity, I'll just keep it as a 4-step structure. Back to this diagram. Here you have the traffic source. It goes to the landing page, which is the squeeze page, like I said to you, and then you collect the details that you want based on the fact that you've put in a number of entries, as I showed you on my blog. You typically have one with a name, and you'll have one with an email address. You collect the details, and for there it goes to the offer, and that's as simple as it is. That's as simple as it stands. And this is a process that has been used over and over again, and it's quite well used and quite well known. And it's the most direct way to actually collect your email address, or the email address of your potential customer and your potential customers. And what has to happen is that the offer has to be a good offer, and one that the customer segment, or the customers that you actually, or the potential customers you're approaching, is interested in. Now this is in a nutshell how you actually set up and put together a system that will actually build your email list. If it's a situation where you actually have a product on offer as well, then there will be another product here, which will probably be a one that will give some kind of value to the customer. It could be an ebook, it could be another video detailing information about yourself, and the fact that you offer XYZ. It could be an offering another training that could be congruent with the offer itself. It could be so many different aspects. As you see, I gave away 2,000 email swipes if you added your email address. So what you're looking for is to have one of those illegal bribes here, and what that will do will be to ensure that the people are incentivized to actually put their information and their details, because what you're offering is congruent to the offer you have down here, or is equally as good. So these are the ways by which you'll be able to build your email list, and you'll be able to speed up the process of getting to the goal of making good money as an affiliate marketer. Thanks.